Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure sales strategies with Stripe, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure sales strategies with Stripe, start by creating an account on the Stripe website. Visit the Stripe homepage and click on Start Now to begin the sign-up process. Fill in your email address, full name, and a secure password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard to understand the available features. Next, navigate to the Payments section in the left-hand menu. Select payment methods to configure which payment options you want to accept. Enable credit card payments by turning on the toggle for card payments. Consider adding other payment methods, such as wallets or bank transfers. Now, move to the Products section to set up what you'll be selling. Click on Add Product and fill in the necessary details, including product name, description, and price. Optionally, upload images of your products to enhance their appeal. Once your product is added, proceed to create a pricing plan if you are offering subscription services. Go to Billing and select Plans to define recurring payment schedules. Set the billing interval, starting price, and any trial options if applicable. After configuring your products and payment methods, integrate Stripe with your website. Follow the integration guide provided by Stripe for your specific platform, whether it's WordPress, Shopify, or custom built. Next, test your payment processing by making a test transaction using Stripe's testing environment. Ensure that you test different scenarios, including successful payments and failed transactions. Once satisfied with the testing, switch to the live mode in the Stripe dashboard. Finally, monitor your sales performance regularly using the analytics tools within the dashboard. Adjust your sales strategies based on insights gained from this analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.